Welcome to our AI-powered proof of concept showcase. In this demo, we'll explore AI-driven solutions designed to help our customers in system intelligence, efficiency, and privacy. Enhances decision-making, accuracy, and workflow efficiency. Privacy-focused with encrypted processing and industry compliance. Our solutions provide tailored in-house solutions, taking privacy to next level. Processes complex inputs, retrieve information, and generate intelligent responses for our customers. These solutions can have across-industry use cases, like healthcare, customer service, and data analytics, and many more. Let's dive into more details with some demos. RAG with fine-tuning for medical suggestions. In this demo, we'll see an AI-powered assistant provides personalized medical guidance based on user symptoms. Uses Retrieval-Augmented Generation AI technique to pull verified medical insights. Ensures prompt guarding to prevent unauthorized or unsafe medical advice. RAG combines retrieval-based models and generation-based models, making it versatile across industries for tasks requiring accurate and contextualized information. Some areas where RAG can be effectively utilized: healthcare and telemedicine. Generating responses to symptoms based on validated medical databases. Legal and compliance. Contract analysis, regulatory compliance. Enterprise knowledge management, internal knowledge base, assisting employees with retrieving company documents, manuals, and FAQs. Customer support and engagement. Chatbots, enhancing response accuracy by retrieving information from product manuals, FAQs, or policies. Now let's look at a live demo of RAG in action. Let's start with our AI-powered medical assistant. Let's see how it provides personalized recommendations based on symptoms. The user has a headache, so the user asks the assistant, "I have a headache, what should I do?" Instead of giving a generic answer, the assistant asks follow-up questions to understand the user's condition better. After the user enters additional info, the assistant tailors its response by gathering key medical details before making a suggestion. Now that the assistant has enough information, it generates a personalized suggestion using RAG and fine-tuned data. The assistant leverages RAG to retrieve verified medical insights and fine-tuned AI to enhance accuracy. Unlike static models, our assistant combines the latest medical research with fine-tuned intelligence to provide safer, more personalized suggestions. Keeping in mind that the medical data is highly sensitive, our model makes sure the data is securely processed and not shared. Given enough data, our model can be trained on any data set and provide industry-specific knowledge. Let's look at another AI-powered demo: AI-powered chest X-ray analysis. In this demo, we'll see an AI-powered medical tool which analyzes uploaded chest X-rays to detect infections or abnormalities. Trained on real medical datasets for accurate diagnosis suggestions. Instant results indicating a clean or infected scan. Secure and compliant with HIPAA and GDPR privacy standards. AI-driven medical imaging solutions like chest X-ray analysis have a broad range of applications across industries. Here's where such systems can be impactful. Healthcare. AI-assisted diagnostics for radiologists and telemedicine. Insurance and risk assessment. Automated medical imaging. Verification for claims processing. Defense and emergency services. AI-powered medical screening for rapid deployment. Let's look at the actual demo. To begin, the user uploads a chest X-ray scan. Our privacy-first AI model processes the image without storing or sharing any sensitive data. Once uploaded, our AI model, trained on thousands of medical images, analyzes the scan. It detects anomalies such as lung infections, pneumonia, or other irregularities. The AI provides instant feedback if the scan appears normal or if an infection is detected. Next up is an AI-powered audio bot. Designed to process and understand spoken language, this system allows users to submit audio queries and receive intelligent responses in natural-sounding speech. Using AI-powered speech recognition and natural language processing, the system accurately transcribes the audio and understands the context of the query, whether it's a medical question, a technical issue, or general knowledge. AI-driven automatic speech recognition, ASR, can be widely used across industries for various applications beyond just audio assistance. Various use cases like IVR systems, customer support, and virtual agents, law enforcement, and emergency services are some of use cases where we can use ASR to enhance business needs. Let's upload an audio file to see the AI in action. We'll upload an audio file asking, "What is the common symptom of high blood sugar?" The AI then converts speech to text using advanced speech recognition technology. Once the query is understood, the AI formulates an answer using RAG-based retrieval, ensuring responses are factually accurate and contextually relevant. The response is then converted into an AI-generated voice message and provided as an audio file. Things that set our model apart is that no audio data is saved after processing, works on local servers for enhanced security, ensures compliance with industry privacy regulations.